I think the U.S. healthcare system is a sham, and everybody's trying to fix it, and in reality, I'm not even sure there is a fix for it. It's so complicated, and there's so many problems at so many levels that I really don't even begin to know where to fix it. But I think that there is a solution that we all have in our hands right now that we could implement today, that no matter what happens in the healthcare system, we could do a certain part that's going to have a big impact. And that's to take personal responsibility for our health and stop looking towards the government or some system to keep us healthy, because there isn't a system out there that can decide the choices of what I put in my mouth today, how active I am, whether I sit and practice meditation or not, whether I interact with my family, the intimacy I have with my friends around me. There isn't a system that can enforce that on me. And a lot of what we call healthcare and what we call prevention isn't prevention. We're being sold a big bill of goods. True prevention is not part of the healthcare system, because the healthcare system, like any other system, is a money-making system, and there's just no way to make money on true prevention. So what's called prevention now is really primary intervention. So, we wait till we diagnose you with something, and then we have all these, procedures we could do to try and lower your risk. We practice this once we have a diagnosis for you. And plus we have all these systems that are inherent, all these medical tests that we want to do so we can get to that early diagnosis. But where is the system in place to get it that we don't, so that when we test you, there is no diagnosis, that we keep you healthy? That doesn't exist. And maybe the reason is because it can exist, because that's within us. That's what we have to do. I'm solely responsible for the food I eat, the activity I engage in, and the way I interact with those around me. The problem, though, that I see is that we aren't getting that information out to enough people. So in my mind, a true healthcare system would be one that empowered people and gave them the information they needed to take care of themselves in a holistic way, meaning WHOL, holistic, the big picture, so we wouldn't have to rely on those. The healthcare system would then be an emergency medical care system for those emergencies that come out and those problems that can't be helped by, taking personal responsibility of our own health.